Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add an anchor in Wix Studio. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to go to the Wix website and then make sure to log into your account. Okay, and then as you can see, I have here my site, so I'm just going to select one. Okay, so to do that, just simply click on your site and click on the edit site. And now that we're here, I'm just going to create or add a new section for my buttons or for the anchors. Okay, so let me just scroll down just a little bit, and I think I'm just going to remove this slider over here and then replace it with a new section. So let me just delete this one first. Okay, so I just click on delete, and then after that I'm going to add a new section. So to add a section, just click on the add section option. Okay, and then let me just change the color of this section first. Okay, so just click on the color, and then here you can add your own color. And the next thing that we should do is to choose the anchor that we want to use. Okay, so I think I am going to use this section and add an anchor for this one. So let me just scroll down, and I think I'll be using this one. So all you have to do is to click on that specific section, and once done, you'd be able to see this arrow at the top right. So you just have to click on it and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and you'd be able to see here the anchor option. Just click on it and then make sure to toggle the switch on for the add an anchor option. And for the anchor name, I'm going to name this one as the anchor number 1. Okay, that's right. The next one is I am going to add now the anchor number 2. So I think I'll be using this one. I'll try if this one has an anchor. Okay, so if this section doesn't have an anchor, let us proceed to the different section. Okay, so I'm going to leave the section right here and try to find another section. So I think this one would do. You just have to click on it and then go here and then make sure to toggle the switch on for the anchor. Now for the anchor name, I'm going to name this one as the anchor number 2. Okay, and then you just have to simply click on enter and then close this one. Now let's go back and head over to the section that we have added earlier. And what we're going to do here is to add an element. So just click on the plus icon at the top left, and here I'm just going to add a text for the title. So I think I'm going to type out right here quick options, or you can also simply type out anchors. Okay, so let me just type out quick options, and I think I'm going to stretch it out. Okay, and then you just have to place your text. And then after that, what we're going to do is to add an element once again. So here we are going to click on the buttons. Okay, and then I just have to use or choose your basic button. So I think I'll be using this one. So you just have to drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then let me add another one for our anchor number 2. So I'm just going to use the same button, and then what we're going to do now is to simply click on that one button. So I'll be editing the first one, and then just click on the settings option. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to simply click on and choose what to display. So text only, and for the text, I'm going to type out right here anchor number 1. Okay, so this will be the button for our anchor number 1. Then after that is we are going to add here now the link. So click on the linked icon. Then here just have to choose the anchor. That's right, and then which page. So the home page. Okay, and then which anchor on this page. So here is the anchor number 1, so just click on it and click on done. Now for the anchor number 2, we just have to do the same. Just click on it and then click on settings. Okay, and then choose what to display, and then for the text, this would be the anchor number 2. Okay, now let us add here the link for anchor number 2. So just click on the linked icon and then select what you want to link to. So click on anchor and then which page. So home page. And then here which anchor on this page. So just click on the anchor number 2. Okay, so after that, just click on done. And let us say you want to add an anchor from different page, but you want to add a button right here on your home page. So to do that, you just have to go to that specific page. For example, on the about page. Okay, so right here, I would like to use this one as the anchor number 3. Just have to click on it and then click on the arrow at the top right and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you just have to toggle the switch on for the anchor. Okay, and then for the anchor name, this would be the anchor number 3. Okay, and then just click on enter and then close it. Now let's go back to our home page. Okay, and then right here, let us add another button for our anchor number 3, which is from a different page. Okay, so just click on the add elements option at the top left, and then right here, I'm going to use this button. Okay, and then just have to click on it, and then just click on settings. Okay, and then here, choose what displays, and for the text, this would be the anchor number 3. And then now just click on the link icon. Okay, that's right. And then what do you want to link to? So of course, the same, just click on the anchor option and then which page. Okay, so since this anchor is from the about page, so just click on the about. Then here, which anchor on this page. So here, be able to see the anchor number 3. So just click on it. And then after that, you just have to simply click on done. So now that we have successfully added the links to our anchors, let us preview this page if the anchors are working. Okay, so say for example, when someone visits our page and click on the anchor number 1, they'd be redirected to this section. Okay, and when they click on the anchor number 2, they'd be redirected to this section as well. So now for our anchor number 3, so when they clicked on it, they'd be redirected to that anchor number 3, which is from the about page. So take note that you can add as many anchors as you wish. You just have to make sure that you have choose the correct link, the correct page in order for them to locate that specific anchor. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.